Today I'm making simple Italian style potatoes with red onion, garlic and rosemary. These diddy golden roasted potatoes are tossed with sweet red onion, rosemary and garlic, a classic Italian inspired side dish that goes with just about anything. So this is the first of 2 Italian inspired sides I'm going to be cooking this week. In fact, this week I'm going to be putting out 3 videos. You've got this one today. On Thursday is a baked Parmesan Fennel dish. And then on Friday, we'll bring it all together and serve both of those sides up with a lovely Tomato Mascarpone Chicken dish. So let's get started. And the first thing we need to do is address the potatoes. And with these potatoes, all I've done is I've chopped them up into really small cubes. So you can see they're not too big and not too small, because what we don't want is for these to break up in the initial cooking process. So here I've just got a pan of water, enough water obviously to cover our potatoes, and they're going to go straight into that cold water. And I haven't salted this water, no need to for this, because there's going to be plenty of seasoning going into them when we get them into the oven. And what you want to do with that is bring that up to a simmer and then cook for 5 to 6 minutes until they're tender but not breaking apart. Once finished simmering, you want to drain those through a colander and put them back over the saucepan. And if you see these, I've just got a knife here, they're tender but they are not falling apart. That's exactly what you want. So we're going to put a tea towel over those and let them steam and cool down slightly. And whilst they're cooling down, preheat your oven to 180C fan. Into an oven-proof dish, we're going to add some olive oil. You want plenty in there. I've got quite a few potatoes I'm cooking up today, so I want to make sure they're nicely covered. And a couple, well, maybe 3 lumps of butter in there, and that's now going to go into the oven to heat through. Once your butter and oil are nicely heated up, remove your tea towel and just give these a gentle little shimmy around. What you want to do is ruffle up those edges. We want to get these as nice and crispy as we can. That'll do us nicely. Remove your dish from the oven, obviously being careful not to burn your hands. Into the dish, adding in our potatoes. All that lovely potato goodness in there. To that, I'm adding some dried rosemary. Use fresh if you've got it. I didn't have any in. And fennel seeds. So there's a mix of both there. A couple of cloves of garlic, which I've just mushed really with a knife. I want some cracked black pepper in there. Of course, I like plenty of cracked black pepper. And a good pinch of salt. I actually used unsalted butter in that, so obviously you want some salt in there. And then just give that all a good mix around to make sure those potatoes are nicely coated in that oil, butter and the herbs. And that is us done. That now needs to go into the oven at that 180C for an initial 30 minutes. Okay, so our potatoes have had their initial cooking time. I actually left mine in for 40 minutes. I'm using my bottom oven today. It's a bigger oven and it tends to cook a little bit slower, but they look beautifully crispy already. You see there, taking on some lovely colour, all those herbs coating them. So now in with your red onions, and all I've done is I've cut them into wedges. And if you see here, I kept the root system on at the bottom so that they sort of hold together rather than fall apart. Again, just stir those in. And we want to cook that now for about another 20 to 30 minutes, or until those onions are nicely cooked, starting to look a little bit gnarly, and those potatoes have got a lovely crunch. Okay, so our potatoes are out of the oven. I gave them the 20 minutes and they look nice golden, and most importantly, they've got a nice crunch to them. Don't know if the mic will pick that up. If I shut up, it might do. Lovely and crispy, and those onions are exactly as I like them. Let's give this a try. I've got myself a little plate here, just want a few of those potatoes, just for testing purposes, of course. Got a knife and fork here. Let's see how these have turned out. A little bit of that onion. The red onion works best, guys. Don't switch it. I wouldn't recommend switching it out for white onion. Anyway, the red works much, much better. Lovely flavours of the dried fennel and the dry rosemary coming through there, the garlic, Everything's working together. Those onions are just something else with it. I have to say, I could probably just eat a plate load of the onions. Guys, give this one a go. It's a great alternative potato recipe, especially if you're having Italian style food. It works an absolute treat. That's it from me for today. I really appreciate you watching. Don't forget to check out this Thursday's coming recipe, which will be the baked Parmesan Fennel. And then on Friday, we're going to be making that lovely tomato mascarpone chicken. And we're going to be serving these potatoes and the fennel with that. So look out for those ones. If you're new to the channel, you like the content, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please do also like, share. Oh, and hype. I keep hearing about these hype. I've had a few. And if you've got a hype button, I'd really, really appreciate you giving my videos a hype. It really does help the channel and is very much appreciated. I'll put all of the details of today's Italian-inspired mini roast potatoes down below in the description as always. And all that's left for me to say is until next time, it's cooking good.